Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today I will show you how to add account to Microsoft Authenticator without QR code. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the Microsoft Authenticator. So here I have it, just right here. Simply click on it. And now once you click on it, here you have this plus icon. You can simply click on it. And here you will have three options. You can click on any one of them. And here it tells you that you have to have a QR code or scan a QR code. I'm going to cancel. I'm going to click on other account, for example. Then I'm going to click on enter code manually. And now here you have the account name and the secret key. Once you enter them, you can simply click on finish and you're all done. This is how you can actually add any account to Microsoft Authenticator without the QR code. And the account will be displayed just in front of you like so. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.